Ino niyo ndeto iria uratungana nayo thibitari-ini wa Kerugoya kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, o haria wathi kuma wadi-ini, nyumba-ini cia aruti wira, coro-ini ona kana nja wa thibitari uyu mbica tiingitiga ino. Giko gikiritie njano ati waga gwiciria ni kiara gia gute giko githondeketwo haha, indi witikie kana urege guko ni thibitari uria wagirirwo gukorwo uri na utheru wa kirathi kia iguru. No hihi niki kiraria kiria kingi thibitari-ini uyu, kuona gutiri uramakio ni giko giki ona thengi ya mirimu iria ikoretwo igituthuka kuota kuharwo gatema, na iria ingi ni ugwati munene iria yumanaga na gutheremio ni giko.
The hygienic standards are pathetic. We have visited maternity, which is the biggest department within the hospital. Today we've met only one supportive staff who is on duty. He's overwhelmed. The labor room is bad. The mothers who have given birth, they are in I don't know what I will call that situation.
Tiria mbere thibitari uyu kumurikwo kumana na giko, indi gutiri ugaruruku onomo ukoretwo ukionekana, ukirikana giko giki gicangirwo ni aruti a wira utheru gufutwo wira ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga mahinda kwa mahinda.
We say this and we join everyone to condemn the current state of affairs within our facilities, and we have done a letter to our governor, and we implore her to take this matter very seriously within the 72 hours at metam that we have given.
Manathi 10 kuma thibitari-ini uyu makomete mathibitari-ini mangi thutha wa kunyitwo ni murimu wa kuharwo gatema. Riboti iria ikiritwo mukonde ni Rose Wanjiru, mwandiki munene wa Manathi kaunti-ini ino.
There is a case of MDR. MDR is a kind of a TB which is resistant in treatment. There is a patient there who is admitted together with newborn. You can imagine newborn, the immunity is low. So basically, I would say the situation is not good.
Gerifotera Kameme TV. Ritwa riakwa ni Muthoni wa Wangari.